Good afternoon, everyone. So, in today's period, we are going to discuss about the distribution. Okay, so the today last point of the magnetic effects of electric current. The last point of the lesson, it is a domestic electric circuit or the electric connection. So today we will discuss about the electric circuit and the electric connection. So everyone well known about that. At your home, the light fitting is there. Light fitting means that the many more electric wires are there, and that is none another, that is known as the domestic electric circuit. Okay, so which things we are using for the domestic electric circuit, which type of wires we are using, how much electric supply we are using, in today's period we will see in detail. So students, first thing you should know about that, at your home we are using 440 volt supply. Okay, we are using 440 volt supply, but at your home we are using 220 volt supply. That 440 volt supply we are using for industrial purpose, and 220 volt supply we are using for domestic purpose. It means the commercial uses. At your home we are using AC supply. AC is alternating current. For the domestic use we are using AC supply, alternating current, and for the industrial uses also it is depend upon the requirement, AC supply or the DC supply. So at your home the 220 volt supply is coming from the generating station where the electricity generates. So we know that the electricity generates by different ways. There are some natural ways sources are also, some artificial sources are also. So that we will discuss in next lesson. So from the generating station we are getting the electricity, then electricity is transferred towards the substation, from the substation towards our transformer, and through the transformer we are getting the electricity. So there are some ways to transfer the electricity. So by using the two thick wires, the wires, it may be copper wire or the aluminum wire. Keep in your mind, whenever the electricity is transferred, so that time the two wires are, we are using two wires. So one they are made up from the thick copper wire or the aluminium wire. So the one wire is known as the live wire, and another wire is known as the neutral wire. Okay, the live wire is having 220 volt voltage. The live wire is having 220 volt voltage, and the neutral wire is having 0 volt voltage. So let us see the potential difference between the two wires. Okay, the live wire L is having 220 volt, and the neutral wire is having 0 volt. So the potential difference PD is equal to, it is a high voltage minus low voltage. So high voltage it is a 220 and low voltage is a 0. So the final potential difference between the two terminals, means the between live wire and the neutral wire, is 220 volt. So these things related with the total voltage. Now the live wire and the neutral wire is having color code. Okay, they are having one separate color code. So always live wire is having red color insulation on it, and the neutral wire is having black color insulation on it. And again one more wire is there, that is the earth wire. So related with earth wire we will discuss afterwards, but earth wire is having black color insulation on it. So first you just keep in your mind, there are two or three wires are there. One is a main wire, live wire. Main wire means the live wire, second one is a neutral wire, and third one is a earth wire. So live wire is having red color insulation, then neutral wire is having black color insulation, and the earth wire is having green color insulation. This is a color code related with the wiring. So from the substation we are getting the electric supply, generating station to the substation, then substation to the transformer, and from the transformer towards our home. Okay, so we are getting the two wires, one is a live wire and another one is a neutral wire. So two wire is then after the main fuse, the two wires is connected to the electric meter, which is present at our home. So the main fuse and the meter, both things installed by the electricity department. Okay, so in the meter, the first wire is a main wire and another wire is a neutral wire. So by using the meter we can get the reading, how much energy we are consuming. So that is denoted by using number system. It is denoted in units. Okay, the consumed energy is denoted by the units. Okay, so that units we can show in front box of the electric meter. Okay, then electric meter, in the electric meter we are connecting the two wires. One is a main wire, another one is a neutral wire. So इलेक्ट्रिक मीटर का यूज़ करके हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं हाउ मच एनर्जी इज कंज्यूम बाय अस, हमने कितनी एनर्जी कंज्यूम की है. सो बाय यूजिंग दिस डिजिटल मीटर वी कैन फाइंड आउट हाउ मच एनर्जी वी कंज्यूम. देन after the meter again one switch is there, main switch is there. After the main switch again consumers fuse is there. Okay, after main switch plays very important role in case of the domestic wiring system. If you are facing some problems related with the electricity, so that time we can shut down the main switch. So that time electricity is not flowing in the whole domestic wiring. ओके, अगर आप घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो, समवेयर मिस हैपनिंग इज देयर, सो दैट टाइम इमीडिएटली आप जो मेन स्विच है मेन स्विच सप्लाई बंद करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का सप्लाई जो है वो डिस्कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, ताकि जो भी अननेसेसरी कुछ चीज़ें हैपन होने वाली होती है, जैसे कि शॉर्ट सर्किट होने वाला होता है या तो समथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन रॉन्ग, सो दैट टाइम वी कैन प्रिवेंट बाय यूजिंग द मेन स्विच. So main switch is playing very important role. Then next is a consumer switch and consumer switch is also known as the F2, consumer's fuse. Okay, consumer's fuse, there are two types of the fuse. One is a lightning fuse and another one is a power fuse. Okay, so we will discuss about that. So there are two circuits, one is a lightning circuit and another one is a power circuit. So what is the difference between the lightning circuit and the power circuit? Lightning circuit means that at your home many things are there which can operate with a low voltage, and the many things are there which requires high voltage. Okay, so there are two categories of the electronic apparatus or the electrical apparatus. Some apparatus can run with the low voltage and some apparatus can run with the high voltage. So in the low voltage we can say that TV, electric bulb, then small things, small apparatus, and high voltage apparatus are the refrigerator, washing machine, electric iron, electric heater. So they require high voltage and some apparatus require a very low voltage. So we cannot give the same voltage for the same for the all apparatus. So we have to divide the range of voltage. So for low voltage apparatus, that is known as the lightning circuit. So we are giving the 5 ampere current to that apparatus, and for the high voltage things just like that refrigerator, washing machine, then electric heater, they require a high voltage. So we are using 15 ampere fuse over there. So the concept is clear. So two types of circuit in a domestic connection. So one is a lightning circuit, another one is a power circuit. So lightning circuit for the low voltage apparatus and the power circuit for the high voltage apparatus. So the low voltage apparatus just like as TV, electric bulb, they require very low voltage, and the high voltage apparatus just like as refrigerator, washing machine, electric heater, electric iron, they require high voltage. So we are giving 15 ampere fuse, and for the lightning circuit we are giving a 5 ampere fuse. So this is the difference between the lightning circuit and the power circuit. And one more thing, the lightning circuit and the power circuit both are the parallel with each other. Okay, the electric connection is in a tree form. जो भी इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शन हमारे घर में होता है वो ट्री फॉर्म में होता है, ट्री सर्किट, हम उसे ट्री सर्किट भी बोलते हैं. सो ट्री सर्किट इन द सेंस कि इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शन जो होते हैं, ऑल द कनेक्शंस आर पैरेलल विथ ईच अदर. कोई भी कनेक्शन एक दूसरे के साथ सीरीज में नहीं होता है. सो मे बी यू ऑल ऑफ यू विल नो अबाउट दैट व्हाई वी आर कनेक्टिंग द ऑल द apparatus in a parallel instead of series. Because if you are connecting all the apparatus in parallel, of the electric connections are parallel with each other, if somewhere is somewhere problem is there, so because of that only the whole system is not going to stop. अगर पैरेलल सर्किट में घर में कहीं एक एपरेटस खराब हो जाता है, इट डजंट मीन दैट कि आपकी होल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है वो बंद हो जाएगी. सो दैट्स वाई जो भी हमारा इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शंस होता है, सारे इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शंस हमारे पैरेलल में कनेक्ट किए जाते हैं, ताकि जब भी घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ जाए, कोई एपरेटस बंद हो जाए, सो दैट टाइम वी कैन रन the whole electric system without that apparatus, and we can repair the apparatus also. So this is the main thing behind to connect all the electric connections parallelly. So these are the things. Again one more thing. So switch for bulb, so here is the different switches are given. One is the switch for bulb and switch for socket. So by using this socket we can run different apparatus. Again, once again I am going to explain the electric circuit. So here, from here we are getting the two electric wires. We are having two electric wires. One is a live wire, another one is a neutral wire. So live wire is also known as the main wire. Live wire is having 220 volt supply. The live wire is connected to the main fuse, and the neutral wire is having 0 volt supply, and the potential difference between the live wire and the neutral wire is 220 volt. Then ये जो लाइव वायर और न्यूट्रल वायर है ये मेन फ्यूज के थ्रू इलेक्ट्रिक मीटर को कनेक्ट किए जाते हैं. सो इलेक्ट्रिक मीटर इज अ डिवाइस विच कैन गिव द आइडिया अबाउट हाउ मच एनर्जी वी आर कंज्यूमिंग, हाउ मच एनर्जी द कस्टमर इज कंज्यूमिंग. जो भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करने के बाद हम कितनी इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी कंज्यूम करते हैं, दैट इज डिनोटेड बाय यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रिक meter. Okay, after the electric meter, so here we can see the main switch. So main switch, by using the main switch we can disconnect the whole supply. If required we can disconnect the whole supply. So main switch बहुत ज़्यादा यूजफुल है. Then after the main switch you can see the consumer's fuse, that is the F2. Consumer's fuse, there are two types of the circuit. One is a lightning circuit, another one is a power circuit, and the circuit is depend upon the capacity of voltage. How much voltage we want, depend on that we are using a circuit. So depend on that we can use fan, we can use electric bulb, we can use electric socket for charging purpose, for running the different devices. So this is a circuit diagram or schematic diagram of domestic electric circuit. Now this is the time to discuss about the third wire. Okay, so here you can see the third wire is there, and that wire is shown by using dotted lines, and that wire is known as the earth connection. So do you know that what is meant by the earth? Okay, earthing, meaning of the earthing. So earthing means that sometimes excess amount of electric energy, excess amount of electricity अगर हमारे सर्किट में आती है, so that time वो excess amount of electricity जो होती है उसकी वजह से कुछ एपरेटस डैमेज हो सकते हैं. जैसे कि अपने हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं जो भी हाई वोल्टेज एपरेटस होते हैं, उस हाई वोल्टेज एपरेटस के 3 पिंस होते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट 3 पिंस? सो हमने तो पढ़ा है कि अभी वन मेन लाइव वायर होता है, एंड अनदर वन इज अ न्यूट्रल वायर, एंड व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दैट थर्ड वायर? सो दैट थर्ड वायर इज नन अनदर, दैट थर्ड वायर इज अ अर्थिंग. ओके, जैसे कि आप कूलर की पिन देख सकते हो, या तो वॉशिंग मशीन, रेफ्रिजरेटर, दे आर हैविंग अ थ्री पिंस. ओके, दैट 3 पिंस मीन्स वन इज अ मेन लाइव वायर, अनदर वन इज अ न्यूट्रल, एंड थर्ड वन इज अ अर्थिंग. सो अर्थिंग जो है वो एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है उसे ग्राउंड में रिटर्न पाथ में लेके जा सकते हैं. जैसे कि जो भी थर्ड वायर अर्थिंग वायर होता है उसकी ब्लैक इंसुलेशन होता है नियरर टू आवर हाउस और नियरर टू द सबस्टेशन. दैट वायर्स आर पुटेड इनटू द सॉइल में वो वायर्स डाले जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वो ग्राउंड की जाती है. जैसे कि कभी भी हाई वोल्टेज आता है तो हाई वोल्टेज की वजह से कोई भी हमारा इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो है वो डैमेज नहीं होता है. उस हाई वोल्टेज को हम थर्ड वायर के थ्रू मीन्स अर्थ वायर के थ्रू हम उसे ग्राउंड कर देते हैं. वो उसी थर्ड वायर के थ्रू, मतलब जो अर्थ वायर है उस अर्थ वायर से रिटर्न टूवर्ड्स द ग्राउंड चला जाता है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे जो हाई वोल्टेज ऑपरेटर्स है उस हाई वोल्टेज ऑपरेटर्स को कुछ भी डैमेज नहीं होता है. So here the 3 wires are there. One is live wire, neutral wire, and the earth wire. So students, one more thing related with the earth wire. When the earth wire is coming from the substation towards our home, the earth wire is not having any type of covering. Okay, without covering, it is carrying from the substation towards our home, but from the main switch, so it is having a green color insulation on it. Okay, so the main function of the main wire to give the electric current. Then the neutral wire is not having the high voltage, it is having 0 volt. So whenever we are touching to the live wire, so we can get the supply, but whenever we are touching to the neutral wire, we are not getting supply. So this is the things related with the live wire, neutral wire, and the last one is the earth wire. So earth wire, when excess amount of current is flowing through the circuit, so that time that current can be returned back through the earth wire towards the ground. So because of that only it reduces the damage. Then most important thing related with the fuse, so whenever we are connected the fuse from the electric meter, that fuse is connected in series. All the electric connections are connected in parallel, all the electric wires are parallel with each other, but the fuse is connected in series with all the electric connections. The reason behind that, अगर घर में कोई भी अनवांटेड शॉर्ट सर्किट होता है या तो कहीं पे डैमेज होता है, सो दैट टाइम ऑटोमेटिकली जो फ्यूज़ है वो फ्यूज़ सीरीज में होने की वजह से होल सिस्टम ड्रॉप हो जाती है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली वी कैन प्रिवेंट फ्रॉम द damage. So students, these things related with the domestic electric connections. So I hope your doubts are clear. If you are having any queries, any doubt, so that I will clear. So you can send me message also. So जब तक अभी 5-6 डेज तक मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास जूम क्लासेस नहीं लेने वाली हूँ. सो आई एम सेंडिंग द वीडियोज. इफ पॉसिबल आई विल अटेंड द जूम क्लासेस also. But related that, if you are having any doubts, any queries, so you can ask me. After few days I will take the classes on Zoom, and this ये जो part अभी का है, that part I will revise again. So students, for today, thank you very much. We will meet in next period. Thank you.